nieces and nephews, welcome back to Auntie Nell's Kitchen. To my new subscribers, welcome you. So first, I need to say thank you for all your love and support to my channel. I really appreciate it. Today we are going to be making homemade mozzarella sticks, cheese sticks, whatever kind of stick you want to call it, is cheese, okay? All right, so we're going to do a flip and a swip, and I'm going to show you everything you need. It's a really simple to make your own mozzarella cheese sticks, okay? So give me a moment, and we're going to get started. Okay, we have our flour. I have 3 eggs with a little milk in it for my egg wash. I have some Italian breadcrumbs. Now, you can buy any kind of breadcrumbs, Italian breadcrumbs you want to. It doesn't matter what kind you buy. You can buy the Walmart, Kroger. You don't have to get the expensive one because either way, you're going to have to add some oregano and basil to it, dry oregano and dry basil to it to give it some flavor because they still are not as flavorful. You can buy plain breadcrumbs and add oregano and basil to them and a little black pepper. You still going to have to season them, okay? I have 16 chunks of mozzarella cheese. Don't judge me. I may not be pronouncing it wrong, but that's why I call it. Okay. These are the blocks. You slice them. Don't slice them long way. Slice them short. Okay. About the width of your finger. Okay. The width of your finger goes short ways down that way. Okay. Okay. First, we're going to start off with our cheese. We're going to get our cheese sticks battered. And in a pan, so the only thing we have to do is little housekeeping. Get our pan right here. Got to get everything organized. A, B, C. Okay? So we're going to you're going to dust your cheese sticks with a little flour. See, a little dusted. And then you can use a fork. I wish that's what I should have had. A fork and turn it around. That'll keep it from being so messy. Like I did when I did the ravioli. I didn't think to use a fork. And you're going to make sure your cheese sticks are nicely covered in your breadcrumbs. And you're going to set it to the side. Okay? You can set it to the side right here. Now, you can also double dip. Okay, you can double dip your breadsticks. And I think I'm going to get a fork. Hold on. Side note. Now, if you can, you use whole mozzarella that says low moisture. Now, you cannot, your store is out of stock of whole mozzarella, low moisture. You can always just use, get the part skim mozzarella. Just make sure it says low moisture because you do not want that water content in it, okay? You don't want that. So this is the last cheese stick that's going down. Yeah, I packed my breadcrumbs on. Make sure they're nice and packed on here. Now we're ready to just go into frying, okay? A little housekeeping. All right, there's 3, 4, 5. They don't take long either, because if you leave them in there too long, your cheese is gonna start. Oops, lost one. It only take a few seconds. And what I'm doing, I'm just moving them around. These out of the way so I can get some over here in this paper towel. Little housekeeping. See if I can get one that came out first. Look at that. Look at this pull. Ooh wee. That's what you want. Tastes better than in the freezer. Ooh wee. All right, here they are. Homemade mozzarella sticks. Your cheese sticks, whatever you like to call them. It has marinara sauce. Great. Great appetizer for your small family gathering. Just, you know, you can make more. If you got a large gathering, you can make more. Thank you guys for watching my video on how I make my homemade cheese sticks. Mozzarella. Don't judge me, okay? I'm country. All right, okay. It is what it is. Okay, so until the next upload, I will see you guys later. I am done with the appetizers for New Year's Eve, so I'm going to be watching the whatever it is in New York. I like that one better than the one in Georgia, that peach. I don't want to look at that, but you know, I'm in Georgia and I don't want to look at that. I like the one in New York. Okay, so to next upload, hugs and kisses to each of you. You have a great New Year's Eve, and I wish nothing but the best blessings for you in 2024. Love you. Bye.